If you were looking for instructions on how to reset the waste ink counter on the Epson EcoTank 8500, then stay tuned. We're going to be working with some software and some other items on a Windows computer, and I'll be showing you how to actually reset the waste ink counter. Hey, what's going on? It's the printer guy here, and if this video is helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so in order to do this, we're going to go to inkchip.net. There's going to be a link for this website down in the description below, or you can simply type in inkchip.net. You're going to go to the home page for WIC, click on WIC, and click English. This is going to download the English software that's going to allow you to actually reset the waste ink counter. An application should pop up just like this. You're going to open that application, and you can begin the process of downloading this software. Now, of course, you do need a Windows computer for this, and you're going to extract all of the languages. You're going to select English, and once you've selected English, you're going to have this application that pops up. You're going to click on Waste Ink Counter, and you're going to select your specific printer model. For me, it's the Epson ET8500. And as you can see here, there is certain percentages that have been used already. You do need to connect directly with the USB cable from the computer, whether it's a computer, laptop, to the printer. We're going to go back to inkchip.net, and we're going to click on WIC. This is where we can actually purchase a reset key. We only need one, so I'm going to click on buy for the one WIC code. Make sure you use discount code Best Printers to save 10% on your purchase. You don't want to miss out on that savings. Again, that's Best Printers. All the information that I talk about here in this video is going to be linked down in the description below. You can now proceed to checkout, and you should receive an email where you will have an activation key, or rather a reset key that you can input here. So again, going back to the software, putting in the key, and clicking OK. All right, so after you input the key, you should get a message like this: done. Please restart the printer in order to finish the counter reset process. At this point, you can reset the actual printer. Now, when we click on Read Waste Ink Counter, once again, you should see all 0% all the way through, and that will basically indicate that your waste ink counter has totally been reset. Again, we used inkchip.net, used 10% off, discount code Best Printers, and this is everything you'll need to do in order to reset your waste ink counter on your Epson EcoTank 5800 model and similar printers. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.